Hey folks, coming to you from the shop once again. On the docket today, got to replace the side view mirrors, or the door wing mirrors on this Jeep XJ. This is my personal vehicle. Yeah, I got new ones. Not that hard of a job to do. On some of the early Cherokees, you actually have to remove the whole door panel, but this is a country model, so there's just a trim piece that has to come off. And that'll give us access to the screw. So I'm going to get the camera moved here real quick, and then we're going to get started. Probably only show you doing one side, and then I'll do the other and show the final product. But anyway, let's get started. All right, there's a couple of screws here on this panel we got to remove to enable us to get this trim piece off. This trim piece is actually separate from the door panel, and what I'm trying to do is get to an access screw behind this here. So, all right, so a little close-up of what we're removing. You're taking that screw out and these two screws out, and that lets you get this upper trim panel off. After the upper trim panel's off, then obviously you can get into here. So I'm gonna close up as I work on this to show you what we're doing. It's the 3 screws, and then I can pop that out. So you can see we pulled the 3 screws out, and then to get this trim panel off, you pull it back from here and then slide it aft, and it'll slide off of these 2 and off of that. Once all that's done, we can get to that screw there. And that gives me access to a Phillips head screw under here. Once that's out, you can how does this work? There we go. That piece out. And then it looks like 3 Torx. So I'll go get the Torx bit for that. Once we've got that screw out, we pull the grub screw off the bottom, and then that gives us access to the 3 mounting bolts. And it's a T30. There's the old mirror assembly, and we'll put a new one in. Once the mounting bolts are out, we can remove the mirror with the grommet, and then I'll take a razor blade and open that grommet hole up so that it'll pass over the whole thing and install it on the new mirror. works. All right, so we worked the new grommet on. So we'll finish running that in. Get our trim piece back on. All right, once we got the new grommet on, got it slipped through, installed it, put the 3 bolts in, torqued them down real good, slipped our cover plate back on, reset the grub screw. So now I just have to push the cables in, line it up, put the screw in. Up, down, left, right. Okay. Got that done. So, now we put the trim piece back on. Ta-da! New mirrors installed. Now we just put the final trim piece back on. And that goes like that. Screw our door handle piece back in. There we go. All right, that's the finished product. See how the mirror works? And that piece right there is what was broken. The lock piece. So I'm going to do the other side. It's that simple. On some of the models, the whole door panel has to come off, and to do that, it's obviously these 3 screws here, and then the handle screws, and then you just pop, just like any other normal door panel. On the later model Cherokees that have the power windows, it's the same thing. Door panel comes off, you pop this piece here, and disconnect the electrical connector, and then the same 3 screws take it out. That's all I got for now. If you like this content, go ahead and like, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon for future notifications, and as always, there's more to follow.